Hello and welcome to FreeTechTV. Today what we have for you guys is just a quick video review here on the Anker battery pack, which you can get on Amazon, 20,000 milliamp hours. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. More videos like this coming every week to you guys. So thank you for tuning in, and with that, let's get into it. So what you first notice here is that the Anker battery pack comes in this nice carrying pouch that says Anker on it. Sliding it out, we have the nice slim battery pack here, also branded Anker. You'll notice that we have four LED lights. Which will tell you the status of the battery charge. Each light represents 25%. Now you'll see in this battery pack that it has two USB out ports, so you can charge two devices simultaneously. This battery sports a 20,100 milliamp hour battery. This device can charge an iPad mini twice, and it can charge an iPhone 5 to 6 times, and an Android device 4 to 5 times. Just to put in perspective here, so great battery here. We definitely can feel the sturdiness, very well built design here. You have your power IQ. So great battery pack. I would recommend. I use it all the time when traveling, and it's been very good. Never had any problems with it with any device. So that has been a review of the Anker battery pack 20,000 milliamp hour. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick video here. Make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos on my channel as well. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.